Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Giselle Tanong Sapa, 30 years old, from Gilayon, Tabuk City, Kalinga, and I'm happy with my living partner and blessed 2 children, ages 6 and 4. My living partner occupation is a farmer. My father occupation is a farmer too. My mother occupation is a housekeeper. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am a Christian. My highest educational attainment is a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, singing, and cleaning. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve 4 members of the family, 1 couple, and 2 children. My duties are taking care of the children, doing the laundry, cooking Filipino foods, ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, and many more. I want to work in Hong Kong to provide the needs of my family and to save money for my kids' future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I am kind, loyal, trustworthy, long patience, and a hard-working woman. I promise that I can do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you very much.